So folks will say always to me, I don't know where to start. I mean, I've got stuff everywhere. And again, not unusual. You know, you have a 4-bedroom, you have kids, the kids go off to college, they don't come home. Next thing you know, the closet ends up with some extra off-season clothes, or maybe the ones that don't fit until I lose a few more pounds. And, you know, the cellar starts to fill. Or worst case, they go off and they leave all their stuff, which is not unusual either, yes. So there ends up becoming a time where this is actually a fun part of some tough love, to be able to get rid of their stuff. But you know, we tend to fill the spaces that are open. So as a society, we have full basements, 4 bedrooms, a full attic, 2-car garage that maybe or maybe not we can put cars in, you know, depending on how much stuff is in there. So you start to multiply that all out, and it's a lot of things. And to look at it is very, very daunting. So whenever people say to me, oh, you know, I don't even know where to start, I will tell you that almost down to a T, there are some areas that we are all sort of guilty of that we could purge pretty quickly. And some of those include those hinter spaces, right? I mean, the attic, how many people have been up there going through those boxes like in a really long time, right? They're not part of your life. They're just there. Same thing with the hinterlands of the cellar. You know, same thing with the recesses of the closets, you know, in the places that you don't go. And I always tell folks, go slow and go steady, because one of the things about this process is, in order to look at stuff, and even if you're into the whole feng shui and, you know, the Japanese, I need to hold it and see if I love it still before I give it up thing, that takes time, and it means you have to take everything out, and then you have to put it all back. So what you don't want to do is have every room in your house look like a bomb blew up, right? So we have to pick and choose, and then just kind of go slow and tackle each thing until it's really sort of done.